What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where it's another day and another Maserati special edition. Maserati just introduced the Edizione Ribelle GT and Sport package for the US models. Now, with that said, the year 2020 is a busy one for Maserati by Maserati standards. Now, the biggest news is the introduction of the mid-engine sports car that we will see in May of this year. But until then, a selection of special editions will have to make do. So for the US market, you get a GT Sport package that Maserati just introduced. And that has been introduced with optional extra equipment for the Ghibli midsize sedan. Now, the Levante utility vehicle and Qauttroporte full-size sedan also get that GT treatment as well. Scheduled for delivery, you get the first customers that will be able to get these GT models in March of 2020. Now, these cars feature the Grand Sport front and rear fascias, piano black garnishes for the interior, and a painted brake caliper. Of course, the wheels are also upgraded to 20 and 21-inch designs with various finishes. The GT Sport package is compatible with the three versions of the Ghibli. You have the base model, the S model, and the SQ4 model. The two ranges for the Levante, the entry-level base model and the S, and the two versions of the Qauttroporte, the S and SQ4. Now, if you're wondering which is the most powerful of the lot, that will be the S and SQ4, thanks to that twin-turbo V6 engine that puts 424 horsepower coming out of that 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Now, the Edizione Ribelle is the name of the limited series of 225 cars. Now, they consist from the Ghibli SQ4 model, which you'll get 100 units, the Levante S, which you'll get 100 units, and the Qauttroporte SQ4, which they're only making 25 of. Ribelle means rebel in Italian, and if the name implies, these cars are meant to stand out from the crowd with distinctive features. Now, the black exterior comes from the Nerissimo package. The 20-inch dark wheels are contrasted nicely with the red brake calipers, and you have two-tone interior that combines red and black for maximum visual effects. It looks phenomenal. You also get the carbon fiber trim, a special plaque, and you get the soft closed doors with the Trident stitch headrest and a few other highlights, along with the Harman Kardon surround sound audio system. Now, safety hasn't been forgotten either. Maserati offers driver assistance packages, which means that you're treated with 4 collision warning plus, active blind spot assist, surround view camera, and all that. Now, adding for comfort, you also have the Edizione Ribelle that sweetens the deal with heated steering wheels and the heated and ventilated front seats. You also have the heated rear seats as well. So let me know, what do you guys think about these special edition packages? Again, we're waiting for the big stuff from Maserati. It seems like they've been putting out a lot of special editions. Some people like them, some people don't. Some of the things we could do without, but I do like the fact that they're making limited units of a couple of things. I do like the nice materials that you're using. I mean, the red and black leather, the two-tone, that's awesome. The other stuff, not too impressed with, but that's me. I want to know, what do you guys think about the Edizione Ribelle and the GT Sport packages for the US models? Drop your comments down below. Does Maserati really need it, or let's just skip all the small stuff? Let's get to the big stuff from Maserati. With that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Edizione Ribelle and GT Sport packages. Now, with that said, also, if you guys want to help support your boy, check the links down below. I do have a one-time link donation for my PayPal in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can always check out the Patreon subscription as well, or just Rise merch, where I can do my t-shirts, you can do stickers, phone cases, everything like that. Help support the brand. Or hey, follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, everything that I'm posting about Maserati Alfa Romeo that doesn't make it to the channel. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. Subscribe, click that notification bell so you get these videos straight to your inbox. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.